Everyone, and today I'm going to walk you through the 2020 Roscoe 8 bike. This bike has 27.5 wheels with some Maxxis tires. It's also tubeless, at least the one I have is. It has a RockShox 35 shock. I'm not sure what spec that is. It also has some nice yellow pedals. It has a SRAM NX drivetrain. Here's the shifter, as you can see there. And some Shimano brakes. It has, I believe 13 speeds. And we also have this bag on the back of the bike to carry things, as well as a drop post, which is really nice. It is a super great hardtail. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out my other videos of Trek bike walkthroughs.